Hey math lovers, 90% of students try complicated calculation in here, but one simple substitution solves the entire problem in under a minute. So let's start. So this Harvard test challenge looks simple, but there are clever tricks hidden in it. The equation is 2 to the power m plus 4 to the power m plus 8 to the power m is equal 39. At first glance, it seems difficult because the variable is in exponent. But don't worry, we'll back it down step by step. If you attentionally notice that 4 and 8 are powers of 2, so that's the key observation in here. So let transform the equation like 2 to the power m plus 2 square to the power m plus 2 cube to the power m. Then the equation transform in simple way. So after that we can write 2 to the power m plus 2 to the power m bracket whole square plus 2 to the power m bracket whole cube is equal to 39. After that, we have to take 2 to the power m as a equal to y. Then the formula will be much easier to apply here. Now take a look in here. We can write this exponential equation as a y plus y square plus y cube is equal to 39. Right? Now we can another write y plus y square plus y cube is equal to 27 plus 9 plus 3. We just break 39 with simple maths. Now we can write the y cube plus 2 square y square plus y as we can write 27 as a 3 cube, 9 as a 3 square, and 3 is a 3. So we have to shift every right side into left side, then we'll get y cube minus 3 to the power cube plus y square minus 3 square plus y minus 3 equal 0. If you attentionally look here, we get y cube a in the cubic square and single formula equation in here. So we have just applied those formula like a cube, b cube, and a square plus a b square, then the math will be solved easy way. So let's take here a as y and b as 3. Now we know the exponential formula, which was aq minus bq is equal to a plus minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square, and also a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here we have to just apply this formula in the equation, then the math will be easily solved out in here. After applying this formula, we get this exponential equation. Now here y minus 3 is everywhere, so just take it common and write y minus q is as common bracket y square plus 3y plus 9 plus y plus 3 plus 1 second bracket equal to 0. Now y minus 3 bracket y square plus 4y plus 13 is equal to 0. We just take the equation and write it. Simple mathematical rules. After here we get y minus 3 is equal to 0. So the value of y is equal to 3. And on the other hand we get the OR value. OR equation was y square plus 4y plus 13 equals 0. If you look here, this is a quadratic equation. So if we compare it with xa square plus bx plus c, then we'll get the value of a equal 1, the value of b is equal 4, and the value of c is equal 13. So now we have to apply here a quadratic formula, which was b square minus 4a times c. Then we have to replace the value. Then we'll get 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 13. Then it will be 16 minus 52 and it will be minus 36. So it is less than 0. So this is a negative value and there are no real solution of y, so we can take this. So now we can write y minus 3 equal 0. So the value of y is equal 3, and here we get the another value of y is equal to 2 to the power m. So just compare them both and we'll get 2 to the power m is equal to y, and y is equal to 3. So now here we can write easily 2 to the power m is equal to 3. So we're taking a logarithm on both sides gives, and that will be like log 2m log 2 divided by log 2 and log 3 divided by log 2. So now we'll cut down both and get the real value of m is equal log 2 base 3. So did you before solve it watching the solution? Let me comment. Thank you guys.